All right, so we're gonna open these up. Check them out. Ba-ding. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Those are sweet. I think these are gonna be a hit. K2s, that's one of the best you can get, right? And that's the always wear protection. Okay, that's a good idea. Don't want to get pregnant. All right, and then we set that in there like that, and that's both of them right there. You can see they've got the 4 wheels on them, and high quality. Now these are size 8, and they should fit my girlfriend. All right, so let's give you a better look at this. So check it out. Smooth action. There's your brake. Nice. This comes over around here. Velcro. And then on top you've got the latch, right? And I mean, you can't get better than this. This is like the best. So I think that these are gonna be, here, check it out. Now, I can't show you the actual practical application of these until after Christmas, because this is the Christmas present, right? But these you can get on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in there. And, you know, for all your girlies who want to party, this is a size 8. Super good. Looks fantastic. All right? If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.